Welcome back. If you are looking for how you can create dotted line table, then don't skip this video and you can see that I have draw a dotted line table over here. So let me delete this first. So first head to the insert on the top menu bar and go to the table and create the desired table rows and column. So once you click inside the table, you will see that table design and layout. You need to click on this layout option and here you will see that properties. Click on that and under the table properties you need to click on borders and shadings and here is the style of line and this is the dotted line style and you can choose the color of your choice, for example below, and here is the width of the dotted line from 1 pt, and in the preview you can also see the dotted line table is inserted. So make sure it should be applied to the table and then click OK and then click OK, and here you can see that dotted line table is easily inserted in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.